big Glock, and we be shooting clips like TikTok. This a rollie on my wrist, not a wristwatch. Why you acting like you hit, little bitch? Stop. Bitch, I got a big Glock, and we be shooting clips like TikTok. This a rollie on my wrist, not a wristwatch. Why you acting like you hit, little bitch? Stop.
Bop, bitch, stoppin'. I know a couple niggas wishing they was this poppin'. More of the story, nigga, I'm their favorite topic. I bet your net worth don't cost like my closet. I got a big Glock, I leave a nigga topless. Still lifting shit every time I go shopping. I don't care about the trolls, I don't care about the robins. If it ain't about deposit, then nigga stop talking. Bitch, I'm a godman, heard niggas got problems. We could fight, we could shoot, couple ways we could solve it. And I'm holding on these nuts cause I know that I got him. He came from the bottom, so he really can't top him. By him, I mean me, I'm a boss in these streets. Ain't no compete, bitch, I'm Tmaz. Fucking with me, have you walk with a leap. Spitting these bars, think I'm going too deep. Sheesh.
Bitch, I got a big Glock, and we be shooting clips like TikTok. This a rollie on my wrist, not a wristwatch. Why you acting like you hit, little bitch? Stop. Bitch, I got a big Glock, and we be shooting clips like TikTok. This a rollie on my wrist, not a wristwatch. Why you acting like you hit, little bitch? Stop.
Hell no, it ain't fair. I'm the general, baby, nothing like the mayor. I'm aiming for the dome, I ain't aiming for the air. I'ma hit it from the back while I'm fucking up her hair. Bitch, get easy, need a bitch, freaky. See a nigga on this grind, now she acting like she need me. But you gotta respect the hustle if you really wanna keep me. I've been grinding so hard, but I make it look easy. Watch how you treat me, all my niggas eating while you watching TV, morning to the evening, go to sleep and repeat, and wonder why you hate me, why these niggas hate me, riding in Mercedes, bitch you can't replace me, bitches wanna taste me, legend in the making, I like healthy bitches that be drinking on the naked, I got it on my own, spent some hundreds on a bracelet, I got it on my own so a nigga can't say shit.
Bitch, I got a big Glock, and we be shooting clips like TikTok. This a rollie on my wrist, not a wristwatch. Why you acting like you hit, little bitch? Stop. Bitch, I got a big Glock, and we be shooting clips like TikTok. This a rollie on my wrist, not a wristwatch. Why you acting like you hit, little bitch? Stop.